Hello students, today Nature Talks is all about farms. You might think that farms are not part of nature, but farms definitely rely on science. Farms are a technology. They are designed to make humans' lives better. Today, focus on the animals. How do humans take care of them? Why are animals important to us? How do they make our lives better? What special things do we need to do for these animals to keep them safe? This is Fern's Meadow Farm in Meriden. Fern's Meadow has beautiful Nigerian goats. They raise bees, they raise lavender, and they raise food. What would the purpose be in raising these goats? Can they provide milk? Do they provide companionship? They also win lots of prizes at the fairs. And why would they raise bees? What do bees do for the plants around us? You might think that bees just make honey, when in fact, bees pollinate or cause all of our plants to grow, not just honey, but to provide food for all of us at our markets and to provide food for all other animals in nature. Here is Gowl Farm in Meriden. They have lots of honeybees, and the bees pollinate fields and fields of wonderful flowers and plants. Without bees, these ducks wouldn't have any food. Without bees, birds wouldn't be able to eat. Without bees, none of our flowers would grow. Here is a native bumblebee. Bumblebees don't make honey. Our students are studying pollinators. Without our pollinators, no plants can grow. No animals would have food, not even humans. Here's another kind of home farm, a worm farm. Why would someone have a worm farm? A worm farm helps enrich our soil. Worms eat our vegetable scraps and newspaper, and then they can help make our soil filled with nutrients. On Frederick's home farm, they made their worm farm and now they are planting. I wonder if the Geiger Garden can use some of their worms and plants. Let's take a look at some horse farms we have in Meriden. You can ride horses. You need to take very special care of them. You have to feed them very special food. Give them very special friends, and treat them with love and kindness. Let's move on to our farm on the hill, La Ferrier Farm, with their chickens and goats. Let's listen in. And now we have Nunez Farm on the hill. Nunez Farm taught me all about the different species of chickens and different kinds and colors of eggs. Nature Talks finishes today with Miss Heather Borak's farm. She's going to teach you a few things about her chickens. Thank you, Miss Borak.
Your feathers are wet. Look like a hot mess. Hi, Lizzie. Look at my girl Trixie. She's a hot ticket. So I gave them cucumbers today. And this is all they left me. That's the skin. They have a roof. You crazy chicks. Let's go see if you have any food left. That's good enough for till tomorrow. Hi, girls. What are you talking about? Girls got a hot message for your fan club. I'm Ruger and Marilyn. The whole gang, I'm assuming, is watching. I bring water out to them to fill their thing. Hi, Miss Chrissy. Hi, Owen, Maddie. Black and white ones. I have ones that are mostly black with a little white. My fluffy ones. My not fluffy ones. 10 chickens. They've all come in when those were from. When they were little, they fit right in our hand. Very small. I bought each set of them when they were 1 day old. So I've had them for a long time. They last 7 or 8 years. There's only one up on the top shelf. Somebody had cleaner feet, because that one looks good. 1, 2, 3 so far. And then look, holy jelly beans, there's 4. So we need to add 4 to our 3. Put them up on the ledge. Counting is hard. Did you want to count with me? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs. It takes 26 hours for most of my chickens to lay eggs. Ava takes a little bit more. That's why I don't get a blue egg every day. And Trixie takes a little bit more as well. They're like 28 hours. Right. So I have 7 eggs, 10 chickens. That's a good night's math.
So, scientists, what did you notice about farms in Meriden? What are you wondering about farms in Meriden? Why are farms a technology? And why do we need to understand science to be able to take care of them?